Welcome back to Phone Transformer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to send an anonymous message on Facebook. Let's get started. Step 1. First, open the Play Store on your device. This is where you can download and update apps. Step 2. In the search bar at the top, type Facebook Messenger and hit search. This will bring up the Messenger app in the results. Step 3. Next, tap on the Messenger icon to open its details page. Step 4. If you see an update button, go ahead and tap on it. This will make sure you're using the latest version of Messenger, which helps avoid any issues. Step 5. Once the update is complete, open the Messenger application. Step 6. Now log into your current Facebook account. Make sure you enter the correct credentials to proceed. Step 7. After logging in, tap on the 3 horizontal bars at the top left of the screen. This will open the menu options. Step 8. Now, tap on the settings icon at the top. This will take you to the settings page. Step 9. Scroll down until you find the Manage Account option. Step 10. Tap on Add Account. This allows you to create or add a new account to Messenger. Step 11. On the next screen, tap on Forgot Password. Now, enter an anonymous email address or mobile number and then tap Continue. Step 12. Now, you will be asked to choose a method to receive a verification code. You can select either email or SMS. Step 13. Enter the code you received and then proceed to create a new account. Step 14. Once you've successfully added a new account, you can now use it to send messages anonymously on Messenger. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to the channel.